Puzzles in geography. Although the area of the Atlantic Ocean is not very large, there is a region that is much more famous than other ocean regions. One end of this approximate triangle is Bermuda, one end is the Florida Peninsula, and the other end is Puerto Rico. This area, called the Bermuda Triangle, is considered the most enigmatic and dangerous place not only in the Atlantic Ocean, but also in the oceans of the entire Earth. Half a century ago, on December 5, 1945, 6 planes belonging to the American Army disappeared in the same place. Neither the plane nor the 27 people who died have been found. There was no trace. After this incident, all the accidents that happened in the area of the triangle begin to be seriously studied. And thus the problem that became a legend of the last century comes to light. There have been various accidents in this area before, but the incident area was square or oval in shape. But in the Bermuda Triangle, accidents happen often and unnaturally. All of them were written in a book by a man named C.H. Berlitz, and this was the basis for the birth of the legend. The main claim made by Berlitz was that the events here could not be proven with specific reasons. What happened on December 5, 1945 was truly amazing. This morning, 5 Avenger aircraft of the 19th Fighter Wing took off from Fort Lauderdale Air Force Base with 14 crew members. Their mission was to inspect a water body belonging to the U.S. territory. Is not coming. The last information the radio operators received was, "We don't know where we are." It seems. On that day, the sky was open, the pilots had a lot of experience and seniority. Further search efforts are also unsuccessful. On the contrary, the Mariner plane along with 13 crew members disappears in the same place, in the Bermuda Triangle. Berlitz and later other authors cite dozens of such disasters as examples. Crashes were based on one principle: a ship or plane disappeared without a trace despite favorable weather conditions. Even if the ships were found, there would not be a single living soul on them. The mysterious incident with Link 19 is explained as follows: the pilots ended up in some unknown place and are still living there. They are in a space where time flies and we will meet them again someday. There is an unusual magnetic attraction in the Bermuda Triangle, which caused airplane compasses to malfunction. The pilots must have been abducted by aliens. In the end, actually, nothing unusual has happened here, only that there are more shipwrecks in airplanes than in other places. The loss of ships and people is due to the fact that piracy is rampant in this area. Terrible details about the missing sailors, such as the spontaneous combustion of the coffee cup on the captain's desk, are nothing more than fabrications of the yellow press. The mystery of Link 19 remains unsolved. The assumption that the technical condition of the planes is bad or that someone shot them down does not occur to anyone. Perhaps this was invented by the base officers to hide some secret.